I built a cabinet, something to do between projects. It's really nice. I love building. It's a passion more than anything, you know. And I put on Trade Me and sold it straight away. And so I just left the ad on Trade Me, and somebody said I want to buy 3 of them. So great. So I built another 3, and I had a backpacker helping me. And then next thing you know, things really took off. We're a custom builder. Nothing's ever built the same way twice. And so normally the client comes in, tells us what they're trying to achieve, what the budget is, so we know what we're sort of playing with. And then we start to sit down and figure out what we can build to keep in the budget and to get them the tiny home of what their dreams, you know, what they want. We are not a huge company, so we're doing about 14 to 15 a year, but I mean, that's one out the door every 3 weeks or so. We're not into the mass production, we're just into a much slower pace, a specialty builder, you know, a bespoke builder, yeah. We go through every detail on what they want. So everything you see here is what the client specifically requested. You know, they wanted privacy on the 2 mezzanines, so that's why these are solid and not the normal sort of like just slatted balustrades. The storage in the head over there, this is all storage in behind there. Push to open, cabinetry, single story, 2-story, the Everest design with the gable roof, of course with the single mezzanine, the bedroom downstairs. So it's going to be really cool. It depends on what the client's trying to achieve. That's why we're trying to get the idea first before we just launch into trying to, you know, figure it out. Like figure out what they want to do, what the budget is, so we can make sure we get it under budget and get the best thing we can get for that budget, you know. Us personally, obviously we started in the cabin space and then moved into tiny home space, and then now we're actually working away, doing a lot of consented builds, small homes. So, you know, these sort of 50 square metre, 80 square metre, but very, again, high-end stuff, bespoke stuff, small batches, Airbnbs. Got one right now being built on the other side of the mountain here in Raglan on the waterfront. That's a really nice project. The brand, everything was really good for us to sort of show what we're trying to commit it to, which is using as much product as possible from New Zealand. Going through the process to get the accreditation from you, we made us really look at our supply chain and try to think what could we source more locally. So that was another thing that made us make sure we're getting as much as we can from New Zealand. So we're supporting local, supporting New Zealand. And that was great for us, you know. I think the clients see the brand, see the logo, and that makes sure they understand that there's a higher quality, it's being built here rather than being imported as a whole unit and being built here in New Zealand. So yeah, it was all round, it was a great idea for us to do that. I think also places like Raglan, you know, it's all about support local and support businesses around here. So I think that definitely talking to all our clients from all over the country, I think it's very important, yeah. I do love this. You know, obviously I've done a lot of different things over my life, and I think working with the clients, I think the fact that we're doing something different every day, there's problems to solve every day. You know, that it's not the same thing, just doing the same units every day, just going out the door. It's the idea we're doing with a small amount of clients, building exactly what they wanted to see. It's just amazing to see them so happy, you know, yeah, it's great.